Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2017 GMC Sierra Denali Crew Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number X849XX. 52,000 miles in this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Mineral metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5 years, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5. Leather interior. Split seat bottom flips up for additional cargo space. Rear defrost for excellent visibility and power sliding windows for extra ventilation. Power running boards. Sierra is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Backup camera along with rear parking sensors. Trailering package. Spray and bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. This Denali has keyless entry with remote start. Power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in a perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Shift and apply 4-wheel drive with auto setting and integrated trailer brake control. Easy to read gauges with driver information system controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, as well as advanced safety features like forward collision alert, cruise control, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system, 4 radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, navigation, and there's of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated as well as cooled front seats. All the power outlets you'll need. Wireless cell phone charging. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead. Auto dimming mirror. Home link transmitter for garage door opener. Power moonroof. And rear sliding window control. Under the hood. This here has a 6.2 liter V8, 420 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon and a city average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this here, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.